AutoDS Dropshipping Review with AliExpress Integration. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Welcome to this AutoDS Dropshipping Review with AliExpress Integration. Links to AutoDS, AliExpress, and other essential dropshipping tools are included in the description below. AutoDS is a comprehensive dropshipping automation platform that integrates seamlessly with AliExpress, making it an excellent tool for entrepreneurs looking to simplify and scale their dropshipping business. With its range of features designed to streamline product sourcing, order fulfillment, and customer service, AutoDS helps dropshippers save time and focus on growing their store. Features. AutoDS offers a wide range of features to enhance the dropshipping experience. The platform allows you to import products directly from AliExpress with just a few clicks, eliminating the need for manual product listing. It automates order fulfillment, so when a customer makes a purchase, the system automatically places the order with the AliExpress supplier and provides tracking details. AutoDS also monitors price and stock changes in real time, adjusting product prices on your store accordingly to avoid overselling or losing profit margins. Additionally, AutoDS provides an integrated customer support system, order tracking, and analytics tools, all in one place. Who is it for? AutoDS with AliExpress Integration is ideal for dropshippers looking to automate and scale their business without getting bogged down by manual tasks. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced entrepreneurs who are sourcing products from AliExpress and want to streamline product management and order fulfillment. If you're using Shopify or other major e-commerce platforms, AutoDS can save you a lot of time and effort. Strengths. One of the key strengths of AutoDS is its automation capabilities. The platform handles everything from product importation to order fulfillment, saving you time and reducing errors. The real-time price and stock monitoring is another major advantage, as it ensures that your store is always updated with accurate product information. AutoDS also offers useful analytics to track your store's performance, helping you optimize your business. Weaknesses. On the downside, AutoDS can be a bit pricey for beginners, especially when compared to free alternatives. While it integrates well with AliExpress, the shipping times associated with AliExpress suppliers can still be an issue, as many of them are based in China. Additionally, AutoDS may not have the level of customization and flexibility that some dropshippers may require as their business grows. In conclusion, AutoDS with AliExpress Integration is a powerful tool for dropshippers who want to automate and streamline their business. With its robust features, it can save you time and effort while scaling your store. If you're ready to take your dropshipping business to the next level, check out the links in the description and start using AutoDS today.